So today we've got one of our solid wood tables, and if you have kids or you use your table for more than a few years, you're going to dent it, scratch it, do something at some point. And we just want to show you how easy it is to fix any of these issues. So with a dent, you've got two options to fix it. You can steam the dent out and then sand it and refinish it. And to do that, we're going to use a steamer, and we're also going to use an iron with a wet rag. So we'll show you both these processes here in this video. So at this point, the steam has raised the wood and the dent back up. We're going to let this dry, and then we can sand it, finish it, and it'll be as good as new again. So you saw us use a household steamer to raise that dent out. We're now going to show you another option in case you don't have a steamer. We use a wet rag with an iron. You simply take a wet rag where it's wet but not sopping wet, lay it over the dent, set your iron until it's really hot. So now that the wet rag's on there, set that iron on there, you'll hear it steam. And you can see how it raised the wood and the dent again. If you need to, you can repeat the process. Make sure you don't burn the table. Make sure that the rag's not too dry. That's all there is to it. Well, we're back with our table. The dent has raised and we have let the wood dry. So now we're going to go back over it and sand it, and then we'll finish it, and it will be as good as new. So we're back with our pre-cat lacquer. This is nicely sanded, smooth again, and we're just going to spray over the area and seal it back up. Now this will take multiple coats, so if it doesn't look right on the first spray, it shouldn't really. Give it 2 or 3 coats and you'll be good to go. So we got our first coat of lacquer on. We're going to go ahead and sand and then spray again. While we're getting ready to spray, let me mention that the lacquer here, there's many different brands of lacquer. You don't have to use this brand. So some more popular brands are Deft and Lacquer, and either one will do a great job. If you have a Sherwin-Williams, they can give you a pre-cat lacquer as well. If you notice any light spots in your table from where you finished, just give it a couple of days. Over time, the lacquer will age and yellow, and it'll even the colors out. This process that we did here will work on any of our solid wood furniture that you see at logfurnitureplace.com, whether it's a chest, a dresser, a table, vanities, anything that's solid wood, dent it, just use the same procedure to fix it. Feel free to check us out at logfurnitureplace.com. We have tons of log, barnwood, and rustic furniture and decor. And thanks for watching the video.